All right, so if you're getting started in affiliate marketing, one of the most important things is that you pick out the right keyword. Getting this wrong from the start can mean that you will absolutely fail hard, and it may not even really set in until it's too late and you've spent all kinds of money and time trying to rank a website, only to find out that the keywords you picked out were absolutely garbage and they're not turning anyone into sales. Paul James here. Welcome back to today's video. Smash a like on this video if you're excited to learn about affiliate marketing keywords and how to pick out good keywords from bad keywords. I'm gonna share with you in this video some exact examples that you can go and run with. And if you're new here and you're not subscribed to the channel yet, you should go ahead, drop below right now, take the subscribe icon, take the bell notification icon, and then what I'll do is I'll update you every time I post a new video. For those of you who don't know, affiliate marketing is simply where you go and you find someone who already has a product and they pay you a commission for recommending that product, and you get paid every time that happens if they decide to buy it. Now, some affiliate programs like over on ClickBank will pay you 50 to 75% commission. So that could really add up. If you have a $50 product, that means you're gonna make about $25 minimum every single time someone comes to your website and they see you recommended the product, they click your link, they buy it, you're getting paid that $25. Now, the other common form of affiliate marketing is to use Amazon Associates. That is their program where you can basically recommend any product at all that is on Amazon. Like, for example, this Sony remote for my camera that I'm filming on right now. I picked this up on Amazon. If someone would have recommended me to pick this up and I would have learned about it on their website, they would probably have used their affiliate link and they would have gotten paid for that. The downside to Amazon is, number one, it's Amazon. I personally don't like Amazon very much, so that's a downside for me. But the other downside is that Amazon pays a lot less than other platforms like ClickBank. In fact, they start you off, I think it's 4 or 6%, and it can go all the way up to 10%, I think, once you start generating volume, but that is a low starting point. So you're going to have to find higher priced products in order for you to really make a nice return on your money or your recommendation. But anyways, we're gonna hop into my computer over here and I've got some examples picked out for you that I'm gonna run through with you. And we're gonna figure out what is a good keyword, what is a bad keyword. All right, so we're on my computer here and we're gonna run through this and share with you what makes a good keyword versus a bad keyword. So one of the first things I'll say is when it comes to keywords, you wanna look for keywords that have what's called commercial intent or buying intent. And especially when it comes to affiliate marketing, because we wanna find people who are actually serious about purchasing. If you find people who are too early in their journey of researching, they're probably not going to buy right away, and it could take a lot of follow-up. It might work if you get them on like an email list and you continue to educate them, but they're further away from actually convincing them to buy. They're kind of at the initial phase. Whereas if you find people who are already searching for a keyword that has commercial or buyer intent, these are people that are like ready to buy. Like they're just looking for a specific thing or a specific, brand maybe, or a specific product. And if you recommend that product to them, they already know what they want, the features that it has, and they already know all that stuff, you're likely gonna make the sale right there on that first visit because you're providing the solution to them. Those are usually the affiliate marketing keywords that I like to go after, are these ones that have this buying or commercial intent. So some of the ways you can figure out if a keyword has that is what I call indicators. Indicators are keywords that mention specifics, like it might mention a color of the item or a size of it or anything like that. A very specific statement in the keyword might insinuate that this is someone who knows what they want and they're looking to make a buying purchase right away. Another indicator that's pretty good is the modifier. The modifier, you see this sometimes like best, or you might find cheapest. Cheapest might not be the best one to go after. Well, no pun intended there with saying both of them, but it might not be the best one to go after if you're trying to find a, I guess, higher up demographic. But those are modifiers you can use. If someone is looking for, the best remote for their Sony camera, they're probably pretty far along the buying decision path. They're just kind of looking at which one they want. Whereas if someone's researching like, do I need a remote, or what does a remote do for a camera? They're not really so much convinced that they even need one yet. They're not far along in their journey of research, and that's gonna take some more follow-up in order to convince them. Another indicator might be location. Like they might say like, where can I buy a Sony remote for my Sony a6500 camera? Again, that's an indicator that they are looking for something with commercial intent and they're probably going to buy. So those are good. If you can find keywords that have those, that's really great. I'm gonna give you an example of not a great keyword, but it's not super bad either. So this one is dog crates. It's the dog crate niche. And this keyword is dog crate sizes. So it's not super bad because it's not like, they probably understand that they need a dog crate. Like they're not searching like, what are dog crates used for? But at the same time, they're not really sure on specifics of what size they want, and they're still probably not totally at the end of their journey, but it might be something that you want to consider, but it's not the greatest. So what I've done instead, so that you can kind of see of one that's like not so great, is I want to show you some that are probably a lot better. So here's some examples of some better choices. Two-door dog crate. And these are keywords, by the way, all of these that I went and found that have some search volume to them. They're not like just no one searching for them. Like there's like 100 people probably per month on each one of these, or right around there, that are searching for these. And 100 people, like let's say for example that there was 1,000 people searching dog crate sizes, I would probably rather go after these keywords where it's two-door dog crate and only 100 people searching it, because if I can rank in the top 3 for that, and I can capture that traffic, those 100 people are probably ready to buy. They're probably a lot further along on their research journey, ready to buy, than say someone who's over here. So this is very specific, right? Two-door dog crate. This is so specific, they know exactly what they're looking for. They want a dog crate, they want one that has 2 doors. Or on the flip side, on the contrary, single door dog crate. Again, very specific. They know they want a dog crate with a single door. Here's another one that I came across. I actually don't even know what this is, but they said bed with dog cage underneath. Very, very specific. Someone who's searching for this knows exactly what they want. And again, I don't know what it is. Maybe it's something, kind of novelty or something like that, or niche specific. I don't know. But the point is that these are specific keywords that have commercial intent because they know what they want. It would be even more commercial intent if they said something like, where can I buy a 2-door dog crate? Or where to get single door dog crate, or single door dog crate New York, or something like that. Like that'd be very, very specific. So what I like to do when I'm researching this, and I'm gonna pull open some more keywords for you for more examples, is I use a plugin on Chrome called Keywords Everywhere. I'm not affiliated with them. I don't care whether you use it or don't use it. It doesn't matter to me, but everyone asks me what I use. This is what I use. It used to be free. If I just said it was free, it's because it used to be free, but now they charge for it. You can install it for free, but they charge you one credit per keyword to do a search. It's cheap though. It's $10. They give you 100,000 credits. That means you can search 100,000 different keywords off of that $10. So it's pretty much free. I mean, it's like barely anything. So anyways, this is what I'm using and I'll show you what it does. So I did a search for rock climbing shoes. You can see underneath my search, it did volume 22,200 a month. That means that every time someone searches this, Google is telling us that there's approximately 22,200 people a month that are searching this keyword. So Keywords Everywhere puts that data below the search that I do so that I can see that and make a good decision on what keyword I want to go after. Now, if I were to go after that and use that as my indicator alone, that would lead towards not only a lot of competition, because probably a lot of people are trying to rank for that, but also these are a lot of people who probably don't have buying intent yet. We don't know exactly what the purpose is of why they're researching rock climbing shoes. They might be trying to learn about what they are. In fact, that would be an example of maybe not such a great keyword. As would, what are rock climbing shoes? Like, again, these are examples of blatantly bad keywords. You know, what are rock climbing shoes made of? Like, these are obviously keywords that people aren't really, they're not gonna probably buy. Let me give you some examples of more good ones. Best climbing shoes. So if someone's looking for the best climbing shoes, they're probably a pretty serious rock climber. They want the shoes that are, you know, gonna be the best. But we could get even more specific than that, and let me give you some examples. So the more specific you get, the closer you're going to get to the buyer, and the easier it's going to be to rank that keyword as well, in my experience. So here's another example. Best climbing shoes for beginner. Now notice the volume goes down. From best climbing shoes, we're at 4,400. I mean, especially if you go from rock climbing shoes, 22,000. But then we go to best climbing shoes, 4,400, and then we go more specific, best climbing shoes for beginner. That is very, very specific, 1,900. So yes, our search volume here went down, but we're very, very close now to someone who knows exactly what they want. They want the best climbing shoe for a beginner. But can we get even more specific than that? Yes, we can. Check this one out. Best climbing shoes for beginners 2019. Now, I would even go and start putting this into the future and go 2020. And the cool part about this is that you could rank for both of these keywords at the same time by just, you know, throwing on 2020 at the end of it. And now you're capturing this 20 volume a month search phrase, which isn't a whole lot, but you're also capturing this one too, the 1,900 a month. So that's, you know, what I would do if I was like looking at that. I would look at some of those modifiers. But can we get even more specific than that and get even closer to the buyer? Well, yeah, we can. So check this phrase out. Best beginner climbing shoes, women. And I'm sure we could do the same thing, but for men. Again, not huge volume, only 40. So this might just be one of our supporting pages or one of our blog posts on our website for affiliate marketing. But look how close that gets us to the buyer. We now know the demographics of our exact buyer. We can show them climbing shoes. We can research climbing shoes that are really aimed towards beginners, not show any intermediate or aggressive shoes, or not show shoes that are for just bouldering. These are different types of climbing, by the way. We're gonna show just beginner shoes that are just for women. And now these 40 people that are coming to our website every single month, and we'll probably only capture a portion of them, obviously, because not everyone's gonna click on our website, but for the ones that do, we're gonna solve their problem, and we're gonna know exactly what to do to solve the problem by showing them what they're searching for, and they're gonna probably buy from our affiliate link, and we're gonna get paid. This is how you want to pick out affiliate marketing keywords. This is examples of good keywords versus bad keywords. And this should help you now map it out. What I recommend you do is you map out all of this data on a spreadsheet and pick out your best keywords and just start working on creating blog posts for them on your affiliate marketing website. So that is how you pick out these keywords. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, smash a like on it. If you have any questions about this or anything else to do with affiliate marketing, leave a comment on the video. I will do my best to read through the comments, and I will use the comments that you ask to film future videos. Also, if you're not subscribed yet and you're new here, be sure to subscribe, tick the bell notification icon. I will update you then every time I post a new video. And if you're not following me on Instagram, it's at @HelloPaulJames. I post new videos there almost daily that are different from here on YouTube, so you're not gonna wanna miss those. Go follow me there as well. But anyways, guys, I will see you in another video. I am Paul James. Peace out.